Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and you better listen. This will end up being review number 3074, I think. And it was recently sent by a reader. Thank you very much to a fella named Mod from Selangor, Malaysia. This is, and he sent big packs of it too. That was like way beyond the Call of Duty. Thank you so much. This is Maggi with their Pedas Giler. Ayam Bakar. So Ayam is chicken. I didn't look up what Bakar is. I will do that eventually. But Pedas is spicy and Giler is crazy. So it's crazy spicy. And yeah, this is a chicken flavored one. And it's a mee goreng. So there's no broth involved. Sound like a plan? I think so. And after this is prepared, there will be a spicy noodle mukbang. You'll be able to find that. What was that, Miles? Oh, what did he do? Miles? You're gonna make me kill you. You don't want to make me kill you. What happened? What happened? Tell the nice people what happened. You be good. Wow, that was freaky. I don't know if it really translated over to where you were at, how loud that was, but yeah, that was loud. So we got, what, 2 minutes? 3 minutes? 3 minute boiling water. It doesn't specify how much boiling water. It really doesn't matter, you know, as long as it's not gonna just like go away, because you're gonna drain it. You're gonna drain that water, and once you've drained it and all that, you'll add in this good stuff. This is a dry sachet with a chicken scented powder. At least that's all I know about it. Hey Miles, what are you doing? Come here. Hey, you over there. He's doing stuff on my desk that's pretty much just like really freaking me out. It's his day off, see. He goes to school Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And on Wednesdays, I've decided, hey, what a perfect day to do a spicy noodle mukbang, right? Well, that's today. Here is Wednesday. So, but he's being a little stinker. Alexa, say no. I should just told him no. Then he sits there. He's trying to get her to say, you go, Alexa, meow. And then Alexa will meow like a cat. And he really wants her to do it. And he's actually gotten her to light up when he said Alexa. But then he's like so stoked on that he forgets the meow part or doesn't do it in time. And it's all like, beep. It's like, dude. Oh, it'll happen for you, kid. It'll happen for you. You will activate Alexa. And all will be well. So, the way I do spicy noodle mukbang these days is that I do add garnish to it. I'm so sick of eating just a plain bowl of noodles for lunch when I do these things. It's just not appealing. I'll try it before, obviously, and I definitely know how spicy it is right out the gate. Some people might say, you can't tell how hot something is from a bite. It's like, yeah. Definitely can. Definitely can. I got chicken and tofu puff and coriander and mung bean sprout and fried onion, all sorts of good stuff to slap at this stuff. So, since it's from Malaysia, I want to throw all my favorite Malaysian things. No fishball though because I mean, it's chicken flavor. I could put fishball on it, I suppose, but that just seems like not really the thing to do. Not really appropriate. Noodles, pot, drain, back in pot. Noodles. When you see noodles, you can see noodles. Okay. So when you get a dual sachet like this, my best advice, cut it into 2 pieces. Carefully. Carefully. That way you can deal with it without making a huge frickin' mess. Look at that. No big mess. Miles, do you have a mess? Are you making a mess? This, I did the images for the actual post this morning, and I got some of this stuff on my finger and licked it off. Boy, that was quite a thing to have first thing in the morning after not having anything else. This is a little lick of this stuff, and I mean it was little. It was really little, so I'm kind of worried that this one might be decently spicy. Well, not so much worried, but like I'm thinking. Miles, get down. I can't see him, but it's safer just to. And there's the powder. And now it's time for a sturdy stir. Smells really good. The powder sachet definitely smells like chicken. Really smells like chicken. And then one of the sachets actually is a sweet soy sauce. It's like, here's 2 things that will make it not spicy. And then there's the oil sachet, which is on its own violent. I'm curious if with the sugar and all the other flavor, if it'll hold to what I tasted this morning. I guess there's only one way to find out, right? Hey Miles, what you doing? You want a cookie? You need some bananas? Alright. Well, that's pretty well combined. Look at that. Definitely has the color of that mean old oil. I need a bigger bite. So yeah, you're gonna be like, how can you take a bite of this, dude, if you're doing a spicy noodle mukbang of it next? And I'm like, that's just what I'm doing. Here we go. Ready? Set. Ooh. That's hot. Plate. Whoo, that's hot. Actually, plate not yet. Mung bean sprouts. Pick up that color, mung bean sprouts. Nice. Tofu, puff. Yeah. Spring onion. More spring onion. See, I want this to look nice. I want the tofu puffs to get a bunch of that stuff on them, so they don't look like stark. Yeah, that's working. But I mean, it's more fun to have food that's complete rather than just the noodle. That's why there are serving suggestions on the package, right? More mung bean sprouts. Yeah, that stuff's tasty. It definitely tastes like a nuclear spicy, what do you call it? Mee goreng. I like it. And got a bunch of chicken. Let's see what happens with this. Is it gonna rub off? Maybe it'll rub off. Yeah, it does a little bit. Although it kind of looks like the tofu puff doing it that way. It's probably look nicer. A bit of oil. Nice wok. I do have, but this is not going to go that long. Alright, plate. Alright. Plate. Noodle. Spicy. What else do we need? Well, coriander. Egg. I don't want you to hide that egg. Fried onion. And what do you think? Hi, what was that? Is everything okay out there? Are you alive? Where did the fork go? Miles, did you take the fork? I cannot find the fork. This end, huh? Yeah, I can see that. Um, nom, nom, nom. Yeah, I'm going with that. Should be good. Alright, well, upshot of the heat is don't drop your phone. One moment. Wow, sorry about that phone. You still functioning? Yeah. Got too much stuff in the way and going on right now, but yeah, it's still burning. It's impressive stuff. I am impressed. It is crazy spicy. I just came out with the top 10 list. I don't dare mention anything about that. I will say it is definitely at par with some varieties, if not a little spicier, that are on the list. However, the top 10 list has been doing a lot of moving and shucking and jiving lately because companies just keep coming out with more and more spicy stuff. So this could be spicy today, but 6 months from now, there could be a whole run on spicy stuff. So I don't want to say this is top 10. If it were today, yes, this would totally be top 10 spicy stuff. So yay, Malaysia. And then there's the other one. There's the Tom Yum one. So who knows? That could be hotter. But I have a feeling this is the mean one of the two. Anywho, well, I'm going to go scarf this down and anger my innards. And, yeah, cool. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please click like, please subscribe. I mean, come on. And if you want to see more, here is some really cool stuff over here. It's a lot of fun to do these videos, and the main reason I like doing them is because I know people watch them, and I love it when you comment on them. So if you got any requests or anything like that, let me know. And yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.